I did some bullshit. I accidentally spilled some oil, kicked the motherfucking thing over. I forgot I had this. Feel me? So we finna get that bad boy off of there. Y'all know who did it.
Ain't nobody do it like this.
Like this?
Unless you know do it like this.
Like this? Nobody.
I've been doing it like this.
Like
Boomerdidit TV. Oh, almost fell. Another day in the life. Love, peace, power to all y'all out there. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, drop a comment. As y'all can see, I don't just do music. I just walk the AutoZone. Finna change my oil. Try to save as much money as possible. I did the math. I'm like, the math ain't mathing, so finna do my own oil change. Every man should probably know how to do this, or at least have some common knowledge. Feel me? For those of y'all that don't know, you can't recycle your oil. So if you're doing your own oil changes and you don't got nowhere to put it, get you one of these bad boys. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. So this is everything I just bought. You got the drain for the oil to catch, oil filter, oil, your funnels. Came 3 in a pack for like $6, $7. And that air filter, baby. I forgot to put the damn parking brake on. So we do all that. Take the top off. Pop that off. And spray a little bit of this lubricant on there. I did some bullshit. I accidentally spilled some oil, kicked the motherfucking thing over. Gotta replace these gloves. But I forgot I had this. Feel me? So we finna get that bad boy off of there. Y'all know who did it. DIY boom, baby. Get you one. I'm 1-on-1. Let's go. Let's go, baby. There you go. There you go. There we go. Come on out there, bitch. Thank you, God. Come on out. Get on up out of there. Get on up out of there. Get up out of there. Feel me? Get up out of there. Shit definitely took longer than it needed to. But you know what? We got it done though, so. Tighten that bad boy up. Gonna let this bad boy down. I'll let y'all right fast. Down. Good little 5 quarts. This Henny for the car right here. This a Casamigos for the car. I was gonna say Taco Vodka. This ain't Taco Vodka. My car don't damn. My car drink like XO and Privilege and shit. Yeah, get that last little bit up in here, baby. How you feeling? How you feeling? Still kind of fresh. keep that for the next time. That's solid. Let me put this one back on in there. Yeah, that concludes this video. Like, comment, subscribe. This DIY Boomerdidit TV. Y'all know who did it, man. Look, check out the music and everything on the channel. Until next time, oil change. You check the air filter. Air filter's still good, so I'm just going ahead and keep this one for next time. But I'll holla at y'all. Love, peace, and power.
Little niggas better recognize.